We had a cake blow.
Thank God that was the end.
What is up, Pyro Nation? We're back at it again. Dominator fireworks, high voltage. Be careful to touch it, you might get shocked. Nice 500-gram cake. Here's some colors we're supposed to be seeing, very vivid. They're guaranteed, and here's the performance. 8 shots, sparks fly with this high voltage item. This item features huge loud bursts of strobe, crackle, and great effect. Great finale. Let's check out their ratings. See, everything is in the red, which means colors, multicolor. Noise is wake the dead. Duration is, what is that? Unrelenting, that's what it says. And space height says baseball field and in the clouds. Very tiny writing. Try to get in there. Yeah, hard to see what's in there. But anyways, that's the ratings. So let's take a look inside these 8 shots. Here you go. High voltage, some nice sized tubes. Let's go check this bad boy out and see what we got. Just kidding. High voltage. Uh-oh. Oh. We got a cake blow.